In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply the CPR indicator on Tradingview step by step. If you're new to Tradingview, or just starting to explore technical tools, the Central Pivot Range, often called CPR, is a helpful indicator that highlights potential support and resistance zones and gives a quick read on market bias for the session. Let's keep it simple and get it on your chart in a few clear moves. Start by opening Tradingview and heading to Chart. This is the main workspace where you view price action. If you're on the home page, look for the Chart option in the navigation. Once you're in, you'll see your selected symbol, time frame, and all the usual tools around the edges. Make sure a symbol is loaded so you can immediately see the effect of the indicator when we add it. Next, go to the top toolbar and click Indicators. This opens the Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search all built-in tools and community scripts. It's a searchable panel, so you don't need to scroll through long lists. If you're on a smaller screen, the button might look like a small icon, but it's in the same general top area. In the search bar that appears, type Central Pivot Range. As you type, Tradingview will filter results. You might see a few variations or community versions, but the one we want is the built-in Central Pivot Range. Selecting the built-in version ensures reliable default calculations without extra configuration. Now, click Central Pivot Range from the list to apply it to your chart. Instantly, you'll see a set of horizontal lines forming a band for the current session. The middle line is the pivot, while the upper and lower lines create the central range around price. Many traders glance at this band to gauge whether the market is leaning bullish, bearish, or consolidating around that range. If the lines look faint, that's normal. Different chart themes can make them more or less prominent. The CPR will adapt to whatever symbol and time frame you're viewing, so intraday charts will show session-based levels, and higher time frames will reflect broader ranges. That's really all there is to adding it. From here, you can observe how price reacts around the range throughout the session, and use those levels as context alongside your existing strategy. Keeping your chart clean and focusing on the CPR can make it easier to read price behavior without clutter. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.